How to get rid of droopy eyelids naturally. Droopy or sagging eyelids can be a debilitating condition depending upon the severity, officially known as ptosis. The droop can affect one eye or the other, or can affect both at the same time. It can also be barely noticeable or extremely severe. The primary cause of this condition is damage to the lipetum muscle, which is the muscle that is responsible for the movement of your eyelids. Sagging eyelids is a problem that's a bit more serious than it may seem. It not only makes us look older, but may also lead to eye diseases and eyesight deterioration. In more extreme cases, this can lead to problems with vision, cosmetic concerns, or additional health conditions. Baggy eyelids are most commonly caused by aging skin. As you age, your body produces less collagen and loses its elasticity. This weakens your skin tissue, making it unable to support the weight of your eyelid skin. Aside from aging, other factors that contribute to baggy eyelids include smoking, lack of sleep, excessive sun exposure, thyroid, allergies, or sinus diseases. Loose baggy eyelid skin can lead to emotional, social, and physical complications. If you deal with baggy eyelids, there are surgeries to strengthen the skin around your eyes. A sum of natural remedies can take care of your droopy eyelids as well. In today's video, we're going to look at some of those methods which will help you get rid of your droopy eyelids naturally. But before we move forward, if you like our videos and content and don't want to miss out on any of them, hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon. Your eyelids, made up of two folds of the thinner skin on your body, serve very important purposes. They protect your eyes from dryness, foreign bodies, and excess strain. During sleep, your eyelids spread tears evenly around your eyes to keep them hydrated, help them rejuvenate by blocking light, and keep dust and debris out. A drooping eyelid is also known as ptosis. It may be present from birth, or you can develop it later on in life. It may also be the result of an injury. While mainly common in older adults, it can happen to people of all ages. Let's take a look at some home remedies to get rid of this condition. Chamomile Tea Bags. A tea bag can be a pretty amazing solution to eye droopiness. One of the best teas to use for this is chamomile tea bags. The way to do it is through compress. You simply soak tea bags in hot water and allow the water to cool to room temperature. Then lay down somewhere comfortable and place the bags on your eyes. They're going to drip, so you may want to have a towel handy located behind your head so that you can wipe off your face easily and catch any drops that fall. One of the reasons why this is such an effective treatment is that it relieves the pain and discomfort that comes with ptosis, as well as having a direct effect upon the inflammation itself. Research studies have shown that chamomile tea bags reduce inflammation as well as anxiety and contain particular phytochemicals that are especially good for eye problems. Eyelid Exercises. You can also do exercises to strengthen your eyelids. This is especially helpful when the ptosis is caused by aging, or when it is caused by damage to the muscle that raises and lowers your eyelids, and where you have to strengthen it to get it back to working properly. While exercises do not always work, they have been shown to be effective most of the time. There are a few different exercises that you can do. One of the most common is to simply squeeze both eyes shut and then place a finger right at the base of your eyelids and try to open your eyes. You want to raise your eyebrows as high as you can, 10 or 15 times. You can also do an exercise in front of a mirror. Place your index fingers right below your eyebrows and then raise them up to where they're touching the brow bone. Close your eyes and then blink 5 to 7 times. You should repeat this 10 to 15 times. EyeFriendly Diet. Eating foods that are friendly to your eye health is also something you can do to improve ptosis. That's because there are certain carotenoids that are associated with good eye health, such as beta-carotene. What is even more useful is that foods that have beta-carotene and the like natural anti-inflammatories which can help to reduce the inflammation from your ptosis, as well as protect you in other ways, like preventing skin damage, boosting your immune system, and even helping you to avoid certain types of cancer. You should try to include a serving of foods containing beta-carotene in every meal. These types of foods are easy to identify. They are things like red peppers, papaya, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, apples, and pretty much any brightly colored fruit or vegetable. Avoid strain. You should also try to avoid eye strain whenever you can. The computer age has contributed significantly to ptosis because of how often we look at our computer screens and how small our screens have gotten. Many people use laptops, which get smaller and smaller, and others do all their work on their cell phones or mobile device, which continue to be a testament to just how small technology can get. You can put a strain on your eyes by reading in a low light condition, focusing on one condition with abnormal light, such as the light from your computer screen, which is something people do for hours on end when they game. But you have to take these steps to avoid eye strain if you want to help treat your ptosis. Every 10 minutes or so, you should look away from your screen and look around. You only have to do this for 20 to 30 seconds, but it will be a huge help in avoiding eye strain. Olive oil. Olive oil is a really healthy food all around. Besides that, it is one of the best tools that anyone who is an enthusiast in the kitchen can have. Olive oil can be a substitute for butter so that you can saute or fry things in the pan. You can add a little when you are browning a hamburger or cooking other types of meat. You can add to salads and all kinds of other foods. It contains lots of antioxidants that have been shown to treat the problem of drooping eyelids. The best way to use it is to heat it up a little so that it is lukewarm and then simply massage it onto your eyelids. This will help tighten up the skin and muscles and moisturize your eyelids and keep them from drying out. Cucumbers. A droopy eyelid might be a sign of dehydrated skin around the eye. Another possible answer could be a lack of nutrients in the skin around the eye. Fortunately, nature has a solution that answers both of these problems. Slicing a fresh English cucumber might sound like a wonderful addition to a garden salad. However, they also have the potential of helping you with your droopy eyelid. Cucumbers are vegetables consisting mainly of water. Similar to watermelons, the vast majority of the flesh and found in your cucumber is water. Therefore, sliced cucumbers over your eyelids make for a wonderful hydrating eyelid therapy. Cucumbers are also rich in potassium and vitamin C. Potassium is essential for regulating the nervous system that controls the response of your eyelids blinking. Vitamin C is fantastic for increasing cell communication and eliminating free radicals in the bloodstream that can cause signs of aging, such as wrinkles. Some people may find that they only experience the symptoms of a droopy eye when they feel tired. After a long day staring at a computer screen, your eyes might start feeling heavy. To rejuvenate the skin around the eye, you can use a cool gel pack to perk up the skin and stop the drooping. Another way to stop the effects of a droopy eyelid is to use a facial mask. Facial masks provide the skin with valuable nutrients that help to improve the elasticity and health of the epidermis. Collect the egg white from the egg and then whip it up until it becomes light and foamy. Apply this whipped egg mask on your face and cover your eyes. Leave the egg white mask to soak on your face for 40 minutes to an hour, and then wash it away with cold water. The enzymes in the egg white will help to nourish the skin around your eyelid, preventing the drooping effect. These easy home remedies will provide you a better solution to your droopy eyes, rather than going through big medical surgeries to lift up your eye muscles. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with us till we get back to you all with yet another amazing video of the wonderful facts leading a step to a healthier, easier, and beautiful life.